Look, Americans tonight are wondering how they're going to pay their bills, and Republicans in the Senate abdicated their responsibility and said, if you want to go to war in South America, go ahead. How does that look?
Mr. Barrasso, Mr. Bennett, Mrs. Blackburn, Mr. Blumenthal, Mr. Markey, Mr. Marshall.
The yeas are 50, the nays are 50, the Senate being equally divided. The Vice President votes affirmative, and the point of order.